This is the weekly news from HealthManagement.org. Approximately 160,000 people in France participated in a protest last week against a special COVID-19 pass for restaurants and mandatory vaccinations for health workers. Protesters said that the government shouldn't tell them what to do. French President Emmanuel Macron has appealed for national unity. His message to the protesters is to express themselves in a calm and respectful manner. He also highlighted the fact that these demonstrations will not make the coronavirus go away. Google Cloud unveiled its new healthcare data engine last week, which is designed to give researchers and clinicians a real-time, holistic view of patient records. Google Cloud partner Mayo Clinic has already been working with the technology. It is also in use at Indiana University Health. The data engine can help create better ways to care for patients remotely via mobile app and working alongside Google Cloud. According to Dr. Anthony Fauci, America is headed in the wrong direction on coronavirus as COVID-19 cases are being fueled by unvaccinated Americans and the Delta variant. Recommendations that the vaccinated continue to wear masks is under consideration by the government's health officials, and booster shots may also be suggested for people with suppressed immune systems. The issue is predominantly among the unvaccinated. Fauci once again reiterated that unvaccinated people should get vaccinated as soon as possible. The European Medicines Agency has cleared Moderna's COVID-19 vaccine for children aged 12 to 17. This is the first time the Moderna shot has been authorized for people under the age of 18. Research in over 3,700 children aged 12 to 17 showed that the Moderna vaccine produced a comparable antibody response. The FDA is still considering whether to extend the use of Moderna to this age group.